Hey everybody, it is Jessica from PlanIt Southern, and in today's video we are going to be decluttering and organizing my hot mess of a pantry. The first thing I did was get this tan bin and clear bin, and the clear one I'm going to be putting stuff that my husband needs to go through, and the tan one is stuff that I just need to relocate in the house. And the first thing I'm doing is touching every single item in this pantry. If it does not belong in the pantry and belongs in another part of the house, or if I need for my husband to decide if he wants to keep it or throw it away, I am putting it in the bins that it goes in. I'm also using my kitchen table and my kitchen counters. They were covered for 3 days. So I'm not really taking everything out of the pantry. Most of the items, especially food items, are going to stay in the actual pantry, and I'm just moving them from shelf to shelf, kind of out of the way while I touch every single item. That's the most important thing when you start to declutter and organize, is making sure that you're touching every item. If it was something that was bad or had gone out of date, or something that I just didn't want, I threw it away. This is a great time to check expiration dates and just double check everything that's in your pantry and make sure that it is something that you're going to use. If not, you can donate it. I did donate quite a few things to our local pantry, food pantry here, and just drop them off. So I am on day 2 right now, going through my entire pantry. I'm moving things. If you notice the yellow sticky notes, I labeled where I wanted things to go. Made it much easier to kind of move things around and put them on the correct shelf. Well, we are halfway through. I have everything that was left in here food-wise where I want it to be. I moved my cereals straight ahead, and then all of my coffee stuff and tea stuff I have up there. I decided that I want to go to the dollar store and get some organizational things, but I want to at least get everything in its place first. So now I'm going to put everything that is on like the tables and the counters back in the pantry. everyone, so here's the finished results. It has been about a week or two and I'm finally settled in. I have all of my labels up: paper goods, household, Charlie, snacks, breakfast food. I still have one or two things like that lamp that I don't know what to do with, so I just set it right there. All of my drinking things, cans, extra towels, my bread box, jars and sauces, and then we have dry goods over in the two corners, baking goods, snacks, and then here we have all of my cleaning supplies and Melaleuca on these two shelves, laundry, candles. This bin right here has all of my cleaning rags, and then I have extra things over in that corner like plastic cutlery, foil, things like that, my extra bulk items. And then even though I didn't want to put things on the floor, I had no option. Over here I have lids and a few extra things, and then this bottom shelf has all of my party supplies, and then some of my bigger pots and pans and more like party serving things, KitchenAid attachments, and recipe books. And then on the very bottom I have things that I rarely use, like a rice cooker, an induction cooking system that I'm gonna probably take out of that box and then move to maybe my hutch. That trash bag has plastic containers that I give to a friend once I collect enough, and air vents, just extra bags and things. But I really love how it turned out. I really do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.